Welcome to InsureReps USA, and thank you for joining our 10-Minute Tuesday. This week, we will be introducing Raggy Gali of RipplePak. Raggy is a chemical engineer and inventor of many innovative products. And so please stay with us for a few short minutes as we learn a little bit about Raggy and his gas-filled bubble wrap insulation that is taking the insulation market by storm. If you enjoy this episode, please give us a like to show support so we can continue to host our Q&A with industry leaders. So without further ado, Raggy, thank you so much for joining our 10-Minute Tuesday.
Thank you for inviting me, Carrie Ann.
Absolutely. We're happy to have you. So let's dive right into, if you don't mind.
Sure.
So we definitely want to dive into the key questions related to the high efficiency bubble wrap, known as InsurePak. And when mechanical insulation veterans think of bubble wrap, they traditionally think of high flammability, additional material, labor costs, time. They believe that the bubble wrap needs spacers. There's a lack of approval of commercial duct applications. What sets Insulopack apart from the standard economy grade bubble wrap insulation?
The new understanding of insulation and what is needed to create an insulation has helped us create Insulapack. Insulapack is, as far as flammability is concerned, is UL and ULC approved for 25-50 flame spread. In terms of R value, Insulapack is way ahead of other products with 10.5 per inch. Also, because we do not need any spacers and we use dry air, our Insulapack costs less. There's no spacers required, and installation takes only a fraction of the time compared to other products.
Wow. Yeah, and those sound like great benefits over traditional bubble wrap. You can't get that with the regular bubble wrap.
Correct.
And I guess within the mechanical insulation, contractors are primarily using fiberglass, elastomeric or rigid board to insulate ducts. And a lot of, for years, salespeople have been writing articles, creating videos to discrete bubble wrap. What would you say to engineers and contractors who have some hesitation to move forward with Insulapack? Because they think of Insulapack or is just another bubble wrap, even though you've explained some of the benefits. But
Um, Old hats don't change very quickly. It's a
mhm.
new technology. They need to learn more about it, and time will help. The product has been accepted in many locations. The product is doing very well, especially that it's very cost effective, very high R value, and does not require any problems in manufacturing or um, building the products.
Mhm.
That allowed many people to question the product. They came to see the product for themselves being manufactured, and the results of which they were convinced, and we're growing. The company is growing quite rapidly North America wide.
Mhm. No, great. And really, the benefits is what the key is too. That's the
For
difference.
value 10.5 per inch. Uh,
Mhm.
this insulation that comes to us would be a urethane with an R value of 5 or 7 at best. Styrofoam 5, fiberglass about 3. So the product is way ahead of everyone else.
Yeah. No, very good. Um, so thank you, Raggy, for the benefits and giving us a little bit more background on Insulapack. And as far as like logistics, what kind of lead time should we expect your facility? Because I forgot to mention that you guys are based in Markham, Ontario, Canada. So as far as lead times and logistics, what are your current lead times? Um,
The current lead time to make the product ready for shipment takes between 2 and 3 weeks at the present time. Uh,
Okay.
we are contemplating of spreading the manufacturing into the United States soon enough. So we'll
Mhm.
see how it goes.
Great. And you're shipping, truckloads, less than truckloads, full truckloads. You're doing well.
We ship truckloads, trailer loads, and smaller quantities as well.
Very
And
good.
we have our representation company called InsulWrap that represents us in the United States, as well as other manufacturers that buy from us direct.
Great. And then as far as InsuliPack, how long has it been on the market, Raggy? Can you tell
We
us a little bit about the growth timeline that InsuliPack has had so far?
we started to develop the product somewhere in 19 is it not, yeah, in 2003.
Okay.
Went to the certification in 2012. We got certification for all kinds of tests that we have done and approval. We were ready to go to the market in 2015, and since 2015 till now, we are on a growth rate of about 50% a year.
That's great. Well, we're excited to be repping InsuliPack, and it's a great product.
I think we're going to do very well for us, and we look forward to working with you.
Great. Well, just to be so for all of you listening in, you can get more details on Insulipack at www.insulipack.com. And also, just as a reminder, RipplePak is the packaging company. And then there's also other product lines within the RipplePak. But today our focus was to, meet Raggy. So thank you, Raggy, for joining our 10-minute Tuesday. We look forward to hearing you on some additional episodes in the future. And we're excited to grow Insula Pack with you. And hopefully, all tuning in will continue to support us. And we're happy to have you on as our manufacturer on board.
Thank you very, very much. Look forward to more meetings.
Very good. All
Take
right.
care.
Thanks again.
Bye.